In this video, we will show you how to add my domain to Squarespace. The method is straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so adding your domain to Squarespace has been a popular choice because, for one, it is a beneficial choice for website owners and businesses. Squarespace is a popular website builder and hosting platform known for its user-friendly interface and design flexibility. And so, for example, if you wanted to use your custom domain with Squarespace, it'll give your website a professional and branded appearance, conveying trust and credibility to your visitors, right? The Squarespace templates right here in our screen are mobile responsive, which means your website will function with all various devices, including smartphones and tablets. So if you do not have an account on Squarespace yet, I suggest you create one. Just go to squarespace.com. All right. So I'm here in my dashboard. So basically, I don't have a domain yet because you will be needing a different subscription if you want to add a domain. All right. But don't worry, because what we can do is go here to the help center, to the support, where it says connecting third-party domain to your Squarespace site. So we are not lost. We're gonna be helping you out with this one. So step one is start the connection in Squarespace. So to connect your domain, start in the domains panel. Obviously, if I click it, I won't be able to move forward because I don't have a domain yet. All right, but if you have one, you have to click use a domain or own. All right, and enter the full domain name you're connecting in the enter domain field. Then click the arrow. All right. So after doing that, basically, you should be able to view your DNS setting. All right. So after you click, the DNS settings panel will appear right here, and then log into your domain account, which is obviously I don't have, but if you have one, so log into your domain account. Then after that, add the first CNAME record. All right. In the first line of your Squarespace DNS settings, copy the unique code that appears directly below on the host column. The unique code is a random string of numbers and letters that must point to verify.squarespace.com. In your provider's DNS manager, create a CNAME with these values. All right. Right here, CNAME or CNAME alias. If you can't add the CNAME due to your provider settings, you can add a text record instead. All right. Step 5 is going to be adding the second CNAME record. Okay, right here. After that, add the A records. In the last 4 lines of your Squarespace DNS settings, you'll see 4 IP addresses in the required data column right here. Depending on your provider, you may already have some A records in place. This is the A's. If so, edit any existing A records with hostname so that's a point to matches the values below, right? Step 7, of course, wait for the connection to complete. It depends really, but sometimes it can take 24 to 7 hours for the connection to start working properly. And while you wait, you can review the connection's progress and domain settings in the domain overview panel. To find your domain overview panel, open the domains panel here. But we don't have it, right? And moving along, for the last step is you will be seeing a confirmation email that you are adding your domain to Squarespace. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.